welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup in a really short amount of time. You guys know that I absolutely love French girl style, and I love everything about the concept that French women embrace, and that is jolie laid. You've heard me talk about that on the channel before, but essentially what it means is that you're embracing a part of yourself that isn't like perfectly perfect. Why cover that up? In France, they believe in fewer but better products, and that's why I'm really excited to be sharing with you some new makeup that I've acquired from Merit Beauty. They've kindly gifted me their entire collection because they are launching a new product. They're launching their bronze balm, and it is so beautiful. I can't wait to share it with you. So it's a new bronzer, and they claim that it's the easiest bronzer to use ever, so we're going to put that to the test. This video is not sponsored by Merit, but I loved their products so much that I really wanted to share them with you, because if you're looking to save time and to maintain your effortless cool chicness, then you are going to love Merit. All the products will be linked in the description box below, and you can check them out. You can find them at Sephora and Sephora.com. And again, nothing is sponsored in this video, so I'm just sharing this with you because I'm really passionate about these products, so I hope you enjoy them. So a little behind the scenes of my skincare routine, and then I'll also be showing you the makeup tutorial that is a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but imagine I'm not blabbing throughout the whole thing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the makeup tutorial. Let me go ahead and put my hair up in a ponytail, and I'll talk to you about my skincare of late. I've been really struggling to find my skincare routine again, but I will tell you that when I do an updated version of my skincare video, I think you guys will be really excited, because I discovered that the formula that I was using about a year ago is really the best formula that I've used ever. And so deviating from that, I can definitely tell that there's been a big shift in how my skin looks and feels and reacts to things. SPF is always a must. So what I have on right now is I cleansed using a new bar cleanser from Crunchy Beauty, and then I used a serum from Crunchy Beauty as well, which is new to me. And then what I've been doing is I've been going in with moisturizer during the day. So I've been using the Weleda Skin Food at morning and night, and it's their ultra rich cream. It's really thick, and you wouldn't think that you could use it on your face, but I actually find that it works great, especially when you blend it with the Ilia CBon Triple Serum SPF 40. This is a new product to me. This was also gifted, and I was really curious to try this because you guys know I'm a huge fan of the Super Serum Skin Tint, and this is very different. So I'm actually going to use it on camera today. So let's go ahead and mix the two together. I just take a little bit of the Weleda Ultra Rich cream, like a pea-sized amount, honestly, not very much at all. Put it in my hand like so, and then with this you have to shake it up really vigorously. It has a really nice little applicator, and this was, again, it was gifted to me, but it retails for around $60 US, which I think is really expensive, and I don't know that it really is like the very best product that you could get for $60, and maybe that's just my naivety about what is going on in here, but it does have vitamin C, niacinamide, allantoin, and it has an SPF 40 as well. But as you guys know, you have to use like a teaspoon amount of sunscreen to get that full coverage. So I don't really know that you could use a teaspoon of this unless you just want to be like sopping wet in your face. It's a lot. It's very luxurious. So it has this cool applicator, and I use about 8 pumps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they have 3 shades. They have like light, medium, and dark, and so it's meant to go for all skin tones, and that's because it's super sheer. So I just mix it together. Some skin and makeup experts would be like, Brie, you're wasting the product on your hand, but I don't care. That's okay. So I just blend it in. I apply it like I would any other kind of serum or moisturizer. And what I found when I first used this product was that if I'm using a serum underneath, it does not work well at all. You have to use nothing under here basically, or let your skin dry totally and completely, and it was like balling up. So for that reason, I was a little suspect on the product, but I have noticed that my skin has been feeling great since using it. I do have a little breakout right here, but the vitamin C is such a great combo with retinol. So I use the retinol all from Good Molecules in the evening time, 3 times a week, and then I'll use the vitamin C SPF in the morning. So you can see that gave me like quite an even coverage, and it just hydrates my skin. It's very hydrating. These two, this combo. Okay, so now that that's all soaked in, let's bust open my beautiful makeup kit here. This is really exciting. Comment below if you've tried Merit. I would love to know what your thoughts are. I've never used Merit before, so I'm really excited about that. Let's start with the foundation. I would use this definitely to cover up the spots on my chin. I'll use it around my eyes and my nose. My nose tends to get quite red. If there were any other spots that needed it, maybe in between my eyebrows to like reduce any sort of shade that's happening there from the 11s. Let's just blend it in with the brush. Try it out. So far so good, I'm loving it. I would normally just use my hands. The brush feels amazing. And the texture of the foundation, the Perfecting Complexion Stick, is really nice and creamy. It's lightweight. It feels great on my skin. And I look a little, ooh. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, I really like that. So I'm gonna go in with this again and just quickly use this stick as a concealer and tap it in with my finger. Wow, that's beautiful. Next, I'm going to use their bronze balm. Oh my gosh, so excited about this. So with bronzer, you can contour, but bronzing is different than contouring. But I'm gonna do like a layman's version of contouring. So I kind of want to go higher up on my face, and then I'll show you I'm not that skilled, but the more you blend, the less skill you require, I think. So I'm just looking in here. So pretty high on my cheekbones, honestly. And then around my temple, like so. And then maybe a little bit on the bridge of my nose. And then maybe a tiny, tiny bit in my eye socket. Okay, now I'm gonna blend with the same brush. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. Blending that out. I'm looking in the mirror to see if that's blending in well. Looks good. I'm just gonna use my finger to blend out the eyes right there. So far, I'm freaking in love. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next thing that I would probably do is the blush. So we're gonna open up the little mini blush balm in the color Cheeky. This is great. It comes in this beautiful packaging. So all you have to really do is just put it on the apple of your cheek, and boom, then blend it in with the brush or with your fingers. I prefer my fingers usually. And I do believe you can use this on your lips too. I don't really know how much color. Oh, that's really pretty. Super fast, super minimal, and you could even use some in the crease of your eye too, but just very lightly. Like, you don't want to overdo it, you just want to have like the littlest flush. Okay, the next product that I'm going to use is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and I got this in the color Citrine. It just seemed like a really lightweight, really champagne style color to me. So with highlighter, less is more, so I'm just going to go really high on my cheek here. I'm going to go a little bit on under my eyebrow ridge there, then slightly blend it in, making sure that I'm not overdoing my makeup. Next thing I'm going to do is the Brow 1980, and I got this in the shade brown, and I do think this comes in 3 shades as well. It looks like a little mascara wand, really cute and petite, so let's be careful with how much we apply. Wish me luck. Never used a brow gel before. I do like the idea that you can just put a little bit of shape to your brow while adding some definition, because I typically use a brow pencil that also then has a spoolie on the end, so I can do like 2 birds with 1 stone here. So far the shade is matching really well. I think they say Brow 1980 because you definitely want that like big fluffy Brooke Shields brow. I've made some major brow mistakes in the past, so I want to be more conservative with my brows moving forward, if you know what I mean. So the next product I'm going to be using is their Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. This is in the shade Perfect Black. Typically my jam is the Ilia mascara. So we're going to try this out. This looks like a really typical wand. There's no overpowering smell at all. So I'm just going to go in like a really light coating. The brush is really soft, is working so nicely. Oh yeah, this is coating my eyelashes so well. I love it. Okay, yes, I'm loving it. Okay, and the coup d'etat, the final product that I'm going to be using is the Minimalist Beauty Signature Lip. It's the lightweight lipstick in the color Fashion. Ooh, how beautiful is that? Oh my gosh. Ooh, ta-da. Gorgeous. I feel like this is gonna be my new favorite. My #1 favorite lipstick color of all time is the Ilia Wild Aster, and it is so perfect. I think it's the perfect blend of pink and red, and if you have like warm undertones like me, I would say for me I'm definitely neutral warm, and I feel like this color Fashion is going to be right there in between. So if you just wanted like a really simple girly day look that doesn't require a lot of effort, you can just stick with the cheeky color, the Flesh Balm on your lips, and be done with it. But let's try the Fashion. So I'm gonna go in. It's so pretty, like I almost don't even want to use it. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's beautiful. So we can blend it in. Oh wow, yes, yes. One more layer. Wow. I know this is kind of an odd detail to point out, but the shape of this is so beautiful for application. It actually goes on so well. It seems like a really old school makeup line, but you guys, what? I'm in love. Like, I've never actually found a whole range of makeup products that I'm like yes to every single makeup product. I love RMS, I love Ilia, but sometimes like you have favorites with certain brands and you're like, oh, I love this thing from that brand and this thing from that brand. So far, everything I've tried, I'm like, these are game changers and I'm going to be freaking rocking them for the rest of my life. And then if you wanted to add a little bit more bronze balm, you could, just to like increase your bronze effect. I'm gonna do that with my finger really quick. That's it, that's the look, and we're finished. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so appreciative of you. If you're a big fan of Merit, comment below. Let me know what your favorite Merit product is, and don't forget to check out their new bronze balm because that is a great thing. I'm really impressed with their stuff. As you can tell throughout the video, I'm just going on and on and on about it. Don't forget that I do offer free 45-minute style consultations for you, so you can book that by clicking the link in the description box below. And if you're not yet a subscriber, do me a huge solid by subscribing to the channel. It would mean the world to me. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are, and I'll see you again next week.